The Realme 17 Pro Plus is a highly anticipated, upcoming flagship smartphone from Realme's numbered series. The last time the rumor mill revealed details about the Realme 17 Pro Plus was back in May. Now, the rumors surrounding the smartphone have resurfaced, with a new leak from tipster Digital Chat Station. The phone will feature a 6.78-inch flat OLED display with a 1.5K resolution and an 144Hz refresh rate, a powerful triple lens, a massive 200MP Samsung HP5 primary sensor. It is paired with a 50MP periscope telephoto lens, and an 8MP ultra-wide camera, a 50MP selfie shooter. Expected to run on a mid to high tier performance chip like the Snapdragon 7 Gen 4, rumored to pack a massive 7,000 mAh to 8,000 mAh Titan battery paired with 80W fast charging. The phone is projected to release in the fourth quarter or very early 2027. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.